Hi guys, may adlaw. So for today's video, nag live selling na po ang Cebu Okay stuffs guys, and natay mga gipamalit and ako ni i-share ninyo today. So for this video, ako ni i-share kining bear brick na mga 2 inches siguro ni 1.5 inches na figures nga akong napalit from Cebu Okay stuffs. And kini siya murag Alfred Hitchcock nga bear brick. Then katong pandan, katong green is I don't know unsa to silang collection. So also I would like to share kini akong napalit sad nga sudlanan, which is indot kayo, and diha na ko sila gibutang guys. I bought these 3 figures for 450 pesos. So I don't know if mahal ra ba siya guys or sakto ra, and let me know if you know the values for this figure, but part of the collection lang ko ni. And that's it for this video guys. Salamat sa pagtanaw.